Welcome, automotive enthusiasts, to a journey back in time to an era when the future of personal transportation was still being written. Today, we're unearthing the incredible story of the 1906 Stanley Steamer Rocket, a vehicle that wasn't just fast, it redefined what was possible on land. In January of 1906, on the sands of Daytona Beach, this revolutionary machine, driven by Fred Marriott, rocketed into the history books by setting an astonishing land speed record. It wasn't just a moment of triumph for the Stanley Motor Carriage Company, it was the zenith of steam power's challenge to the burgeoning internal combustion engine. This car, often referred to as the Wogglebug due to its distinctive aerodynamic shape, remains a testament to early 20th century engineering prowess and daring. Join us as we explore its design, its historic run, and its enduring legacy. Behind the legendary rocket were twin brothers Francis Edgar and Freeland Oscar Stanley, the minds and driving force behind the Stanley Motor Carriage Company. Known for their meticulous engineering and innovative spirit, the Stanley brothers were initially successful photographers before turning their inventive talents to automobiles. By the late 1890s, they had become staunch advocates for steam power, believing it offered a smoother, quieter, and more powerful alternative to the noisy, unreliable gasoline engines of the day. Their first commercially produced cars in 1897 quickly gained a reputation for quality and performance, laying the groundwork for more ambitious projects. This dedication to refining steam technology eventually led them to design vehicles capable of extraordinary speeds, pushing the boundaries of what was thought achievable. The 1906 Rocket, also known as the Wogglebug, was not just a car. It was a pure engineering experiment designed for one purpose: speed. Unlike conventional cars, its revolutionary design placed the boiler and engine in the rear, optimizing weight distribution and creating a remarkably low-slung, torpedo-shaped body for maximum aerodynamic efficiency. This streamlined form was crucial for minimizing air resistance at unprecedented velocities. The car featured a unique twin-cylinder engine and a highly efficient boiler system, capable of generating immense steam pressure. Every component, from the lightweight construction to the placement of the driver at the very front, was meticulously calculated to achieve the ultimate land speed, embodying the cutting edge of automotive engineering for its time. The stage for this monumental attempt was the hard-packed sand of Daytona Beach, Florida, a natural speedway that attracted automotive pioneers from around the globe. In January 1906, the Stanley team arrived, ready to challenge the existing land speed records. The atmosphere was electric with anticipation as crowds gathered to witness history unfold. Drivers like Fred Marriott, a fearless and experienced racer, were integral to these endeavors. Marriott, who had previously achieved success with Stanley cars, was tasked with taming the rocket's immense power. The conditions had to be perfect: low tide, firm sand, and a clear, straight run. Every element was aligned for a bid at automotive immortality on that iconic stretch of coastline. On January 26, 1906, the moment arrived. Fred Marriott, at the controls of the Stanley Rocket, unleashed its full potential. With a roar of steam and a blur of motion, the car hurtled down the beach, seemingly defying the laws of physics. The official speed clocked was an incredible 127.66 miles per hour, smashing the previous record and becoming the first car in history to exceed the 2-mile-a-minute mark. This feat wasn't just a marginal improvement, it was a quantum leap in automotive performance, demonstrating the raw power and speed capabilities of steam. The achievement sent shockwaves through the automotive world, solidifying the Stanley brothers' reputation and proving that steam technology, in the right hands, could achieve truly astonishing results. What exactly made the rocket so fast? At its heart was a highly sophisticated flash boiler, a marvel of engineering. Unlike conventional boilers, it had no large water reservoir. Instead, water was pumped directly into superheated coils, instantly flashing into high-pressure steam. This steam then drove a 2-cylinder double-acting engine, delivering immense torque directly to the rear wheels. The system operated at incredible pressures, reportedly up to 1,300 psi, generating over 150 horsepower, an astounding figure for the era. The instant torque delivery of steam engines provided rapid acceleration, a key advantage for speed records. While complex, the Stanley design offered a smooth power delivery unmatched by early gasoline engines, making it ideal for pure straight-line velocity. The 1906 record-breaking run cemented the Stanley steamer's place in history, showcasing steam's raw power. While internal combustion engines eventually dominated the automotive landscape due to their simpler refueling infrastructure and perceived greater range, the Stanley brothers continued to innovate. Their achievements, particularly with the Rocket, pushed the boundaries of automotive design and performance, influencing future generations of engineers and designers. They proved that aerodynamics and lightweight construction were crucial for speed. The Stanley Motor Carriage Company produced cars until 1924, maintaining a loyal following even as gasoline cars became ubiquitous. The Rocket remains a symbol of an era where multiple propulsion technologies vied for supremacy, demonstrating steam's impressive, albeit ultimately superseded, capabilities. Today, the 1906 Stanley Steamer Rocket is celebrated as a monumental piece of automotive history. While the original Wogglebug was eventually dismantled, its spirit lives on through extensive historical records, photographs, and the deep admiration of classic car enthusiasts. Replicas have been built, often with incredible attention to detail, allowing new generations to appreciate the ingenuity and daring of its creators. Preserving and understanding these machines is crucial for automotive historians and hobbyists alike. They offer invaluable insights into early engineering challenges and the diverse paths taken in the pursuit of personal mobility. The fascination with the raw mechanical power of steam continues, making these relics not just museum pieces, but living testaments to an extraordinary past. The 1906 Stanley Steamer Rocket stands as a magnificent chapter in automotive lore. Its 127.66 miles per hour land speed record was more than just a number. It was a declaration of what steam power could achieve at its absolute peak. Driven by Fred Marriott, conceived by the visionary Stanley brothers, and built with groundbreaking engineering, the Wogglebug represented the pinnacle of steam-powered performance before the internal combustion engine firmly took the reins. It reminds us of a time when innovation knew no bounds, and different technologies fiercely competed for dominance. This incredible machine wasn't just fast, it was a bold statement, a mechanical marvel that continues to inspire awe and respect for the pioneers who dared to push the limits of speed and engineering.